Are your upcoming live streams getting lost on your YouTube channel homepage? If you're putting in the work to schedule important public updates, you need to make sure your community can actually find them. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use one of YouTube's best features, channel sections, to put your live events front and center. It's a simple change that creates a professional look, enhances discoverability, and helps you maximize the reach of every single stream. Let's dive in. First, we'll open YouTube Studio. On the left side menu, click the Customization option. Select the Home tab and make sure it's toggled on. Click Add Section. From there, we can toggle sections on and off. We'll make sure to toggle on all three in the live streaming section: the Live Now, Past live streams, and upcoming live streams. Next, we'll rearrange the sections by dragging them up and down. Finally, we'll click Publish to confirm our changes. Now we'll take a look at the channel and see the changes that we've just made. So there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've made your YouTube channel a more effective hub for your city's live stream. If you want to streamline the live streaming workflow from scheduling an event to live streaming to your preferred platforms, visit Switchboard Live. Thanks for watching, and remember to follow us for more live streaming tips. Take care.